G'day guys, today we're going to try and install a third-party Jagex launcher called Bolt on our Chromebook running ChromeOS. This should allow us to run RuneLite after logging into our Jagex account. Bolt currently only supports x86 based CPUs, so if your Chromebook is powered by an ARM CPU, then unfortunately this won't work for you. Your Chromebook will also need to support the Linux development environment. Although this program is not developed or supported by Jagex, there is a link to the GitHub project on the official Jagex help page. As always, use it at your own risk. Let's get into it. To get started, we'll open up Settings, scroll down to the very bottom, and select About ChromeOS. On this page, scroll down to the very bottom again. Under Developers, click Set Up Linux Development Environment. Click Next, enter a username for Linux, and also select the disk size. I'll be keeping it as the default 10 gig. Click Install when ready. Once it's finished installing, it should automatically open up a terminal. We can now close ChromeOS settings, and we'll open up Chrome browser. I'll just snap both of these to split screen to make it easier. Next, we just want to Google Jagex Launcher Linux. The top result should be from the official Jagex help page. We'll click on that. And from here, we just want to click on Torm Storm's Jagex Launcher Linux project on GitHub, the top link. We just want to scroll down on the GitHub page until we get to the Chromebook section. Before we go any further, it is important we update all of our repositories in terminal. To do that, simply go to terminal and type in sudo space apt-get space update. Once that's done, over on our GitHub page, we want to copy the top code block. Simply go to the right hand side of it and click the little copy icon. It should say copied. To paste it into terminal, simply right click, press enter. Type Y and press enter whenever prompted. Once everything's finished installing, we want to copy the second code block from the GitHub page. Once again, click the little copy icon on the right hand side. It should say copied. To paste it into terminal, just right click, press enter. Once you've read the warning message, click I understand. And that's pretty much it. From here, we want to log in on the top right hand side. I believe this does use Jagex's official API, so no data is handled by Bolt. Once you've logged in, you can select the game client you want to use. For me, I'll use RuneLite, select an account, and click play. If it's your first time using this, it should automatically download RuneLite. Let's log in and test the performance. It does seem to run pretty well, pretty much the same as it does on Windows using the same hardware, so there doesn't seem to be any slowdowns noticeable when using this method. Thankfully, you don't have to use the terminal again to open Bolt once it's installed. There should be a new entry in your apps list called Bolt. Simply click on it. It's as easy as that. This can also be used to play RuneScape 3. I think that'll do it for today. If you have any questions or comments, let me know down below. Otherwise, thanks for watching.